Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Text Extractor in Microsoft PowerToys step by step. This handy feature lets you copy text from images, screenshots, scanned documents, and even videos using optical character recognition, or OCR. So let's get started. First, make sure Microsoft PowerToys is installed on your computer and that the Text Extractor utility is enabled. Open PowerToys, select Text Extractor from the menu on the left, and verify that the feature is turned on. You can also review or customize the keyboard shortcut if you'd like. Next, open the image, document, or screen that contains the text you want to copy. When you're ready, press the default shortcut, which is Windows, Shift, and T at the same time. Your screen will dim, and your cursor will change, allowing you to select the area that contains the text. Now click and drag to highlight the text you want to extract, then release the mouse button. PowerToys will automatically recognize the text and copy it directly to your clipboard. I mean, you don't have to type anything manually, which can save a lot of time. After the text has been copied, open any application such as Notepad, Microsoft Word, or your web browser, and simply paste the text using Ctrl and V. Review the extracted text to make sure everything was recognized correctly, especially if the original image was blurry or had unusual fonts. And that's it. You now know how to use Text Extractor in Microsoft PowerToys to quickly copy text from images and your screen. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.